Hello, students. Welcome to Thursday. Thursday's big idea is that your brain learns the most when you are making mistakes. So it's important not to be afraid of those mistakes. And this is a quote from Jo Boaler, who I've talked about before. She's a math professor who's interested in sharing math with more students. And she says, always remember that when you're struggling, even though it can feel really hard, that's the very best time for your brain. So I want to acknowledge that the struggle with math can really feel painful. There is a pain there, but it's also that pain of growth. Your brain is making new connections as you're working through the struggle. The other thing I really want you to believe is that you can learn anything, because if you believe it, that makes it much more likely to be true. And I also want to emphasize that just because you're struggling, that doesn't mean that you are failing. All students struggle at some point, and so the struggle is not the problem. The problem is not overcoming that struggle, and so that's why we're here to help you.